Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can rearrange your home screen in the Samsung Fold 5. So in the first step, if you want to open the home screen settings, just hold the finger on them to place on the screen, and now we have a few options to open. So we can start from the wallpaper and style, and as you can see we can change the wallpaper here. It's obvious, so I think we can skip it. You can use the video wallpaper also. So just pick your favorite one and click on the done. That's it. We can also change the color palette. It's the system color accents in the system of your phone. So as you can see now we have a blue icon, so we can change it to the pink, for example. Click on apply. And now we have icons in the Barbie style. This side works. Okay. Now we can go to the widgets. If you want to add any, expand the Side app, hold the finger on it, and choose the place on the home screen for it. You can also change the size for it by swiping the edge. If you want to remove any widget, just hold the finger on it, tap on the remove, and that's it. Now it's time to open the settings, and now we can change the home screen grid to change the amount of the application in the rows and in the columns. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment, and goodbye.